Okay guys, we're going to be opening a giant box.
Hi guys, so in today's video I have another bump box to show you guys, and I've already opened it. This one is my favorite so far, so if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching.
Okay guys, I have this for my baby brother.
Can I show him? Thank you. Alright, sit down beside me. The first thing that I got is this Aiden and Anai swaddle blanket. Okay, so I got this Aiden and Anai swaddle blanket. It's got a little superhero puppy or like angel puppy on it and clouds. It's really cute. And you can use these for swaddling, tummy time, stroller cover, nursing cover, burp cloth, or changing table cover. So there's like multiple uses for these, and they're really soft, and it's a really good brand. So the next thing I'm pulling out is this Stage 3 Promise trimester specific nutrients, and these are 3rd trimester prenatal vitamins, and there are 30 capsules in here. It says they're all natural prenatal multivitamin and mineral supplement. So these are just prenatal vitamins for specifically for your 3rd trimester, which I'm finally in. Stage 3 contains the perfect pregnancy nutrition recommended for your 3rd trimester, just 1 small capsule per day. 21 vitamins and minerals provide critical nutrients as your baby grows while preparing for delivery. It says it's recommended by OBGYNs. Prenatal vitamins to women in areas affected by poverty and malnutrition. Ready to reorder. Enjoy. Okay. You can order these at promiseprenatal.com. What the package looks like. Okay, the next thing I pulled out, I'm really excited about. This is the Ubi changing mat, non-phthalate and non-toxic. And this is just a diaper changing pad by the brand Ubi. This is the diaper pail that I got that I'm so excited about. And I didn't know they had changing pads, so I can throw that in the diaper bag. Next thing I got is this lactation supplement drink mix by Pre-Mama. It says lactation supports breast milk production, and it has fenugreek, fennel seed, and blessed thistle. Fortifies breast milk with added nutrition, folic acid, and vitamin D3. And there are 28 packets in here. This is the mixed berry flavor. They are gluten-free, non-GMO, and vegetarian. It says tummy safe, essential vitamins to boost breast milk nutrition, fennel seed and fenugreek to support breast milk production, blessed thistle for added lactation support. Interesting. And I do plan to breastfeed, so hello, I can definitely use that. Hopefully it works. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Ice Cream for Orange Cream True Women protein bar. And it is made with cashews, citric acid, brown rice, cassava flour, and this is just a plant-fueled protein bar and has no junk. It says it is certified vegan, certified gluten-free, no dairy, no soy, and no sugar alcohol. I've loved all the other snacks I've tried from them so far. Hopefully this one will be good as well. I'm not a huge fan of like orange or like creamsicle flavored things, so I don't know if I like this, but I'll give it a try anyway. And the last thing in this bump box was by Mambino Organics Fresh Beauty. This is the Oh Baby Anti-Stretch Body Oil with Omega and 7 super plants, and this is USDA organic. It says it protects against stretch marks, promotes skin firmness and tone, soothes itchy skin for lasting comfort. How to use: AM and PM, apply liberally, massage onto damp skin after shower or bath, paying extra attention to the abdomen, breasts, and thighs, safe to use during pregnancy. Find them at mambinoorganics.com. So I have been using the Earth Mama organic body butter or belly butter, and I'm almost out of that, and I almost repurchased it because I did really like it, but I'm going to try this first and see if I like it as well. So that is everything for this bump box this month. I think I have 2 more boxes to go for the full 9 months. So if you want to get your own bump box, I will leave my referral link below. It is great to pamper yourself each month if you're expecting, or you can get it for the lady in your life who's expecting. It's a nice little gift, nice little treat each month. So yeah, I'll leave my link below if you want to check them out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks again. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.